Discovering UI UX design, start for free.
UI and UX design are at the heart of digital experiences, shaping how users interact with apps and websites. You don't need expensive courses to get started. There are high-quality, completely free platforms that can help you build a solid foundation in design principles, research methods, and practical tools. Let's explore the best free resources for mastering UI UX design online.
Coursera, foundations from industry leaders.
Coursera partners with top universities and companies to offer free introductory UI UX courses. Stanford, Google, and CalArts provide beginner-friendly classes covering fundamental topics, such as user-centered design, wireframing, and usability testing. While optional paid certificates are available, all core course content can be audited free, making these courses a reliable starting point for aspiring designers.
Interaction Design Foundation deep dives into UX.
The Interaction Design Foundation offers an impressive collection of free articles, guides, and beginner courses on all aspects of UX and interaction design. Their resources focus on empathy, usability, and research-driven design. With a mission to make design education accessible, their learning materials are trusted by aspiring designers and professionals looking to sharpen their skills.
Google's UX Design Certificate on YouTube.
Google's UX Design Certificate curriculum is partly available through YouTube playlists, offering high-quality video lessons for no cost. These videos break down the design process, from user research, competitor analysis, and wireframes to prototyping and usability. They are perfect for visual learners who want insights from experienced product designers, with no sign-up required.
Open source design course communities.
Open source courses like the Hack Design weekly lessons and resources on platforms such as Free Code Camp introduce essential UI UX concepts. These include visual hierarchy, typography, accessibility, and much more. Built and curated by industry professionals, these courses grow with community contributions and are always freely accessible to anyone interested in UI UX design.
Building skills, practice, and portfolio tips.
Free resources not only teach theory, but encourage hands-on practice. Look for free design challenges on sites like UX Challenge or Front-End Mentor, and start compiling your own portfolio projects. Applying your skills in real or simulated scenarios is key to standing out as a UI UX designer. Consistent practice, feedback, and iteration will set you on the path to mastery.